world. I'm Poppy and today I'm here with Emily.
Hi.
So we are going to be playing Chow Crown. For those of you who do not know how this game works, Emily has very kindly put on the crown. She has got food clipped on to the little forks at the side of the crown. When I press this button, the food is going to spin round and music is going to play. The aim of the game is for Emily to eat all of the food whilst it's going round, but she has to stop when the music runs out. Then I have to do the same thing. Whoever eats the least amount of food will have the forfeit of eating the broccoli soup.
Cold broccoli soup.
So, are you ready?
Oh, I don't know.
Shall we get started? So 3, 2, 1.
This is so hard. Okay, I got you.
So that was, I mean, you did well. I mean, I'm sure you'll want to see your facial expressions afterwards, but that was good. So now we're gonna have to swap over and see how I do.
Right. As you can see, it's now Poppy's go.
I'll do the honours.
That counts as well.
It's a tie. So it's only fair
we both
have
a mouthful of cold broccoli soup.
Right, okay.
Oh, juicy. That's like ASMR.
I'm dreading this. Right, shall I go first?
It's so lumpy. It's on my shoe. Kind of smells like pesto.
That's actually so nice.
You like it?
Oh, I don't know if I like the aftertaste though. Oh.
It's actually really good.
Wait for the aftertaste. I don't like it.
Oh, that's horrible.
Well, anyway, if you enjoyed watching that video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Girls Talk channel to check out the rest of our videos. But that was fun.
That was so much fun.
That was good fun. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know we definitely enjoyed doing it. Thanks for coming today, Emily.
Thank you for having me.
See you next time. Bye.
Whenever you're ready.
I didn't mean to do that again.
Can I eat that strawberry now?
Yeah. So we can put that in the bloopers at the end.